Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Good morning. It's day 4. And 5 AM ang aming call time. So yung jowa ko lumandi muna. Kaya kami malilate. 5 in the morning here in New York. Wala masyadong tao kasi nga 5 AM pa lang.
Ang snacks gusto mo?
Umili muna kami ng pang snacks. 5 hours ng travel time. We're going to Washington, D.C. Maaga rin ang mga food court dito. It's 5 in the morning. 5 na. 5 na ba? Oo. 5 na. 5 minutes before 5 AM. Here in Times Square. Kung gusto mo pala masolo ang photo or mag-pictorial here in Times Square, gantong oras ka dapat lumabas, walang katao-tao. Diba? So 5 AM pwede kang mag-pictorial here in Times Square, New York. At here our bus for the tour bus.
Yep. Give me a signature here.
Morning, how are we doing this morning, friends?
We're fine.
It's okay, we are all sleeping, that's no problem. Amigos, muy buenos días, ¿qué tal estamos hoy? My name is Jay, that is J-A-Y, friends. Amigos, mi nombre es Jacinto, también conocido como Shay, J-A-Y, and today we're gonna embark on a great adventure to visit the capital of our nation, that is the beautiful district of Washington, D.C., friends.
Saray mo?
Why ka pala? Fat-free milk.
Ikaw nagsabi 5 minutes na lang. Si Kuya nanonondo na si Kuya. Yan na si Kuya, nanonondo na si friend. Friend, nanonondo ka na friend. Nada. Ayan na. Sinundo na kami ni my friend. And we're go back to our bus. 3 hours left. Going to Washington, D.C. That's our bus going to Washington, D.C. Ang advantage sa kanya, may mga stopover if you want to take a meal, like breakfast. Doon nag-breakfast kami. Pero may sariling restroom tong bus na to. Kaya happy. Okay, bye.
Hemos perdido para ustedes un baño justamente en la parte de atrás. Now, friends, where does the story begins, right? The story begins pretty much at the beginning of our nation when we have 13 colonies on the goddess Athena, el cual muestra a una mujer guerrera inspirada en la diosa Athena. Those white buildings next to the Capitol happen to be the offices of the Congress. The southernmost point we're gonna be on today. Entraremos pronto al estado de Virginia, el cual es el punto más al sur, que está writing the Declaration of Independence of the United States, pero es más bien recordado por escribir la Declaración de Independencia de Estados Unidos, referencia a las 5 ramas del ejército que existían al momento. Today it is the most secured building in the world. Amigos, este recordatorio está inspirado en una foto tomada por Joseph Rosenthal el febrero 23 del 1900.
Sabi, thunderstorm, sabi ni Alexa.
start now, y'all.
And National Guard was over there. Quite interesting. Me esperaba que el lado no lo hubiera cerrado, porque el lado sur está cerrado.
White House na tayo.
Ay, wala. Mahirap din naman.
And it goes a little something like this. Kung gusto mo
Lumigaya ang iyong buhay. Humanap ka ng pangit ang ibigin mong tunay.
isang matanggap.
Hey, hey,
Natin
hey,
yung pangarap.
hey.
Ngunit kung bakit ko sinabi to'y simple lang.
That's why, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you for the blessing. brother.
Indio-Americano podrán visitarlo, amigos. Inside, you have bathrooms. You also have a small cafeteria. Saludables. So, friends, as you can see,
Yung na, ano, nadamay sa tsunami. Capital of the USA. The Capitol building. Eh. Grabe da. Literal na malayo na narating natin da. Literal na malayo na narating natin.
Oh, the tourists were coming up to it.
We're here in America's Liberty Bell. Hindi naman may aning tong bell na ito. Pinagkakaguluhan. Yan na yun? Ta.
Hindi naman siya siya nakatulog. Hindi naman siya.
instead of the bus, you're gonna have that public park. That park, it is known as La de Amor. It is also known as JF, starting on the right side and ending on the left, the city of Philadelphia. And shortly on the left side, we're gonna have now the Benjamin Franklin Institution. Y amigos, ahora al lado izquierdo del
Bella, Chapello. Y'all move up. Where you guys from?
Manila.
Manila. Hola. Okay, how you say Manila? How you say hello in Manila?
Oh, just say hello.
No, I don't understand. I want you.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Kamusta?
So it's basically like
Spanish.
No, Portuguese.
Yeah.
So I can say oi.
Ay.
Yeah. People will look at you.
Oi.
Like a hey.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Si Thomas Jefferson.
What is that? Ano statue?
Wait lang. Picture ko. Alam ko, nagpunta na kami niyan eh.
Talaga. Pero ito si
Rocky Balboa.
Rocky Balboa. Philadelphia Museum of Art with Rocky Balboa.
George Washington.
And that statue is a George Washington. Go ahead. And we're back here in New York after so many hours travel to Washington DC. Sa pagod kami. Pagod na pagod. 10 hours, 12 hours biyahe. Pero sulit, masaya. Ang laki ng Madame Tussauds. We'll be there tomorrow. Sige, dada. Tonight we will celebrate his birthday through watching either Romeo and Juliet. Aba. 6. Almost 6 in the afternoon here, okay?
Wow! Pasta naman. Tatry ko tong 4-course chef para halo-halo.
Okay, let's go.
Good.
Dada, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Here's your appetizer.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Stoy.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hindi ka pa rin makamove on sa Japanese language.
Nag-aaralan ko yung language nila eh. Tapos pumunta tayo dito.
How's the calamares?
Ano? Pinasosyal na calamares. Ganun din.
Sarap.
Siyempre. Hindi masarap ito. Ang tartar sauce nila. Ang daming lime.
How's the food
Great. Alam mo, I love New York na. Kasi mga restaurant nila dito quality talaga. Restaurant nila dito quality. Iba yung lasa.
Pero anong difference ng mga Italian food sa bansa natin? Mas marami ang...
Malayo yung lasa. Iba yung lasa dito.
Hindi, tsaka yung serving. Yung sobrang dami.
Hindi. American serving. Malalaki tao dito. Beef meat nyo. Masarap siya pag-work together. Parang ano yata ito, parang may ano ng pusit pa yata. Oh.
Hey, happy birthday to you.
Give me my cake.
No, we're bringing you a cake. We can bring it, but the filet mignon though.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday to me.
Dada. Wait lang. Paharapin mo. Paharap. Yarn. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait lang multitask to eh. Okay, picture tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Want me to blow now?
Yeah, blow. Hey. It's 7:30 in the evening. here in New York. And today is August 15. And today is his birthday. Saan papunta na kami sa theater. At malilig na kami. May sarili siyang vlog kasi. Ayan. Sarili siyang vlog. Shawarma da. Time check. 7:30. Here in New York.
Welcome to New York.
And we're going to theater. Romeo and Juliet.
Theater now, and we're gonna watch theater next on Sunday, and we're gonna watch another one on Monday, and we're gonna watch it.
And it's a $40 investment. It's worth it. What happened, and like people start asking me questions. And I put out my hand, like, okay, slap it.
Are you excited, Dada?
I am.
Grabe yung birthday celebration mo, social mo.
Hindi ko alam anong storya to. Ano ba to?
Romeo, Juliet. Itong papanoorin namin, hindi namin alam yung storya. Mahalaga, manonood kami ng Broadway. Here. Dito da.
Before we go to the bathroom. It's 121, 120. That's our ticket.
Go.
Nakanood ako ng theater, ano pa ako ng high school yata.
Pero Broadway ito ba?
Mami.
Grabe, napakaganda! Ang ganda-ganda ng Juliet! Broadway yung theater! Happy birthday, Da! Ang bongga ng birthday mo, ah!
Happy New Year!
Naman, explore namin na ang saan tayo ngayon da ulit? Diba? Siya kasi ang ating organizer. Yan, si birthday boy. We're exploring the Manhattan.
Ganda bang may ba?
Pogi ka, kahit anong tsura. Okay, let's go. Toho TV check. 6th day here in New York and 6th OOTD. Ay, hindi pa na 6 yan. Ngayon, pinanood namin yung Juliet. Broadway yon, theater. This time naman, hahanapin ni Dada ang MJ. Super na-satisfied kasi siya sa performance kahapon. Yung kay Juliet nga. So ngayon, kahit wala kaming kain, kailangan daw niyang hanapin si MJ. Ayun ah.
Apple.
Si Apple oh. Sign ng Apple oh. Kaya natin to. Maraming ano dito eh. Diretso tayo, diretso. Kaya natin to, Dada. Kaya natin to, Dada. We can do it, Dada. Mama Mia. Mama Mia. Napakadaming papanoorin dito talaga, Da. No? Ganun karami. Power back kasi. Yun o, pinipilahan siya o. May mga nakapila agad sa Mamma Mia o theater. It's Broadway. Yun o. Sana may available ticket pa do.
I was actually trying to book online, but it didn't go through. Oh, okay. That saves me a lot. Yeah. Do you have what
This is for MJ. Theater.
Yeah. I think
Finally, okay.
I don't know.
Got a ticket. Sobrang pansin jowa ko na kay MJ. Kaya gagawin niya lahat para makabili siya ng ticket. Finally, nakabili siya ng MJ ticket!
Na-explain ko na buti na lang hindi nag-go sa online.
Ticket, online ticket.
Kasi nag-walk-in tayo. Nung mag-walk-in tayo, nakasave kami na walang taxes. So, 7,000 pesos off. So, napakalaki nung kututusin. Pero hindi ko na di-declare kung magkano tong ticket. Pero may kamahalan talaga. Pero at least
MJ yan eh, kaya kailangan sa harapan na.
Nasa ano kami?
Front seat.
Sa front seat kami. First time nasa front seat kami. It's gonna be our second theater show. We're gonna be watching here in New York, and if we still have time, we'll be probably watching another one. And what else are we gonna say? Yun nga lang, kahit na ano ka, tawag dito, kung mag-walk-in ka, medyo pahirapan lang din. Dahil, pipila ka.
Yes.
It happened na hindi ganun kahaba yung pila ng MJ saka ano na, doon.
May idea ka na.
10 o'clock, sakto, maaga tayo nakapunta doon. Yeah. See you MJ at 2 p.m. We're just gonna grab lunch and we'll be back to the theater.
Hey!
Things. Go around. We're going to grab lunch first and then we will be back.
Yeah, but
A day in New York. Kahanap kami ng kakainan. Our next itinerary, Madam's Thousand, kasi 2 o'clock pa ang MJ Broadway Theater. So, maghanap muna kami ng aming lunch, brunch. Pinakita kami kaninang Japanese food, sayang, 11 pa siya. Kaya lang gutom na kami. Hindi na namin kaya magtiis at maghintay. So, Dada, let's go. We're finally here. We're here in Ichiran. At yan, nag-order na si Dada. Sobrang nag-crave kami sa ramen. Imagine itong Japanese restaurant. Malapit lang pala sa hotel namin. Kaya pag nag-crave ng ramen, super lapit lang. Eh. Go Dada, go Dada, go. Go. May exam ka? May exam tayo dito ah. Hindi kami gutom. Hindi kami gutom. Ada, kaya ka? Laban. Ano mo? Ayan.
Sir, no problem.
Sir. Parang may exam lang. Cute. After lunch, hindi ko pa alam sa navigator ko ano plano niya.
Summit 1 further, Vanderbilt.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Sige lang po ha.
Napaka-organized namin. Pero busog kami, sobra. Ang sarap ng ramen sa Ichiran. We're going in Grand Central Terminal. You know, Grand Central Terminal. What's up, yo? We're here in Grand Central.
Oh, honestly, that's pretty simple.
Oh my God.
But I'm just saying, for like lunch. I was like,
May, dito tayo, kaso hindi nakakayanin, nakakaba ng pila. Kailangan natin makabalik sa AMJ, galaunan eh.
Sobrang haba ng pila dito sa Summit. You know? So, hindi na kami aabot dahil meron kami schedule kay MJ. Broadway yon. So, mas prior namin yun. So, this time, magkakape lang muna kami. Ayan o, kape-kape. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Batang excited! Oh, sing ka na, sing! Pira! Oh, walang pila daw. Makikita mo na si MJ. Si Michael Jordan. Ay, Michael Jackson pala.
Bottled waters per liter.
Pira! Haba ng pira ng Michael Jackson. Yarn! Napakahaba naman yarn. Sobra na yan, sobra na yan. Sobrang haba naman yan. Sabi yata ito, yung ano. MJ. Grabe yun. Mahaba. Oh, diba? Haba ng pila.
oh my goodness.
Finally, Dad. Are you excited, Dada?
Yep, I am.
Excited ang jowa.
Actually, first time ko na nakakapanood na Michael Jackson at
Broadway.
Broadway. Kahit anong ano,
This is our first
kahit
time.
anong performance ng
MJ.
tribute kay Michael Jackson.
Sobrang ma-appreciate yun. Lalo na number one. Ano ka? You're one of the avid fans. Hey, Dada!
Yeah.
Napakalapit namin sa stage. Wow! Grabe! Napakaganda! Sabi mo lang.
Dream come true.
Yes! The
Dream
best na
come
MJ.
true.
Grabe, nakaka-goosebump. Ang lakas child. Nice tao. Grabe, the best ka, MJ! After namin mag-watch ng MJ Peter MJ, this time ang aming next itinerary ay
Cruise line.
cruise line.
We're gonna go to around Manhattan. We're gonna go around Manhattan by cruise.
Pero hindi pa rin kami makamove on dun kay MJ. Sa totoo lang, di ako avid fan ni MJ. Itong jowa ko na. Pero dahil doon, marami pa akong nalaman about kay MJ. You know, MJ is yung jowa doon is Spider. Pero grabe, nakakalungkot rin pala yung buhay ni MJ. Kabila ng super famous niya. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Anyways, walkathon na kami. Going to cruise. Yung cruise, si Sunshine Cruise. Tsaka si, Donna Cruise. Walking kami, super walking. Hey. Ilang kilometer nilakad natin da?
5.
We're finally here!
Dito tayo, meron pala tayo sa baba.
Sumunod lang naman ako sa'yo. Sakay kami dyan, oh. Dyan kami sasakay. So excited! Na-picture tayo.
Huh?
Ano yung cruise na yan?
It's a night cruise. We'll go around Manhattan. We will see the Liberty again, and we will.
Luma na yan, vintage na.
Ito, cruise, hindi yung cruise.
Eh,
It's a ship.
It's a ship pala.
It's a military ship. Pero it is an old one. Meaning yan rin, World War II military ship.
Si ate, yung staff dito, language barrier din. Wala namin malinaw. Yung serving kasi dito, napakadami. Imagine ito, tag-isang order lang yan. Oh. So, ubusin natin to da, ha? Okay. So, tayo sasakay da.
I have no idea. Pero kung nakalagay kasi sa reviews, magaganda yung reviews dito eh. Kaya ito yung binok ko.
Sa cruise na yan.
Yata. Baka tingin ko, yan na yun. Itinerary natin. Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, Chrysler Building, the Highland Park.
QR code na, QR code.
It's ready. Nadagdagan energy natin. Ngayon nadadagdagan ulit.
Kaya marami lang sayo na. Nando sila. Pero sobrang alerto pang asawa ko. One time lagi. So now, mag-stroll lang kami sa
attractions like Hudson Castle, Thomas Heatherwick. To the left, the odd-shaped island is called Little Island in Brooklyn that honors these the rounded up people that put them on the prison ship. To the right, the Brooklyn Navy Yard. Here's the photograph that I recommend. Pointed at the bridge, over your shoulder. Not yet. One, there you go, that pointy dog in the background. That beach looks like there's a big, either hip-hop seaport museum. To the right, the seaport which celebrates.
How are you, Dad? It's
25 years.
evening na.
Ginabi na tayo dito.
I will someday. My last tour. It was more of a publicity stunt. The tablet with the number 1776 is displayed in Philadelphia.
And there you go, turn upside
Madison
down.
Square Park. Copper sheeting is held up by a steel.
Daday, ikot muna ako dito, Da. Oh. Maluwag na siya. Da.
1, 2.